Hi, this is Thomas Wood with Microquant, and once again we're going to be taking a look at the futures live trading room trades of the day for Friday, May 24th, 2013. Had another great day today. We're going into Memorial Day weekend, so the volume was down in the market, so a lot of what we did was a lot of scalping, very short-term trades, but we were still very profitable. The signals we had were up over $2,500, I believe. There were several people in the trade room that made much more than that because they caught the bigger movers with more than one contract. Now, the first signal I want to talk about that we talked about today was a short in soy, or one of the ones that we talked about today was a short in soy off of what we call a golden doji right here on a 1,000 tick chart. Now, the reason we were looking to go short, if you looked at soy in a longer time frame, like a 120-minute chart, you had a head and shoulders pattern. So you had a very nice head and shoulders pattern forming. We were on the 1,000 tick. Our MQ regression was red, saying a downtrend. Our MQ trend was red, saying a downtrend. And then our value bars were saying, okay, we're overvalued, and we just had a golden doji, which is a bearish reversal pattern. And you see this sold off all the way from where we got in around 14.99, came all the way down to a low of 14.70. So you had about almost 30 cents worth of a move that you were able to catch there, which is about $1,500 per contract. Now, the next trade I want to talk about is actually a series of trades that we had in gold. They were fairly quick, and they actually worked very well, both down and up. We had shorts. We identified this pennant here that gold was in on the 60-minute chart, and then we shorted against the upper end of the pennant. We went long against the lower end, shorted against the upper end, long against the lower end, and then inside of this, we ended up taking partial profits every time we were up about $200 a contract, leaving the second half on until it got all the way up to just about the previous bar's high, and then closing it out. Turned out to work pretty well. We were trading those only. You were up around $2,000 just in gold, trading two contracts at a time. So that worked out fairly well. And all those trades, you were really only risking about $100 a contract with your stop loss. So very nice reward to risk ratio. That's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about the futures trading room, feel free to go to valuecharts.com or to click on the link below. And I hope everybody has a great Memorial Day weekend. Until next time, happy trading.